Hello everyone. So this is an introductory video um, where I'm going to teach organic chemistry from Solomon's organic chemistry book. I'm going to learn and teach you. And so the contents of these books. So let's first say the authors of this book. So these are the authors of this book, and I'm going to teach you from the global edition, which is based on the 12th edition done in 2016. And so these are the brief contents of the book. So, and let us first know how to study um how to study what is it how to study organic chemistry according to this book. What are the methods to study? So um the first method, or the first way to follow, is study in bit. Means study small parts, understand it, and then proceed further. Then test yourself using the in-chapter problems and the problems given in this book. Then write and learn, because you can only pay attention to the details, to the atomic connections and all that, by writing and using, highlighting and flashcards. It won't help much. And then you can do another thing, that is explain or teach others what I'm doing out here. That is learn by teaching. This would help. So okay, and another thing is, this was it. So let's start with chapter 1, which is the basics of which includes bonding, the basics of organic chemistry that you must know before learning it. Now the thing is bonding and molecular structure. So this is so in it, in 1.1, that is part 1.1, it is about, the topic is life and the chemistry of carbon compounds, and we had stardust. So let us first know that what is organic chemistry. Organic chemistry, it is the study of carbon compounds. And if in some compound carbon is not present, if no carbon, then the study of those would be called inorganic chemistry. Okay, so now the question is, why there is a whole field of chemistry on carbon. There are so many elements out there. In the periodic table you can see so many elements. By why particularly a branch of chemistry on carbon? Because carbon is central to the structure of life. Now the question is, why carbon is central to the structure of life? Because it forms strong CC bonds between two carbon atoms. It forms strong bonds, and it can form rings. Since it has 4 valencies, so it can form ring, then chains, since it is strong. And it can also form strong bonds with other atoms like hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, then sulfur. Okay, and there is, so since these are possible, these are the things, so it can result into highly diverse type of compounds, which would be necessary for life. So this is what helps in the formation of, the reason carbon is behind the structure of life. And just below carbon in the periodic table, there is silicon, which also can make which also has 4 valencies and can make strong cis bonds. But the thing is, it is not that strong as the bond between carbon. It cannot form as strong bonds as carbon with other atoms. Okay, so this is it. So this is the first video of, so this is the part 1 of chapter 1. So that's it. Not even part 1 has been completed. This is the part 1.1. I mean part 1.1 A and B is left, still left. I can say this, that this is a part 1 video of chapter 1. That's it. Bye for now.